Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a budget-friendly large pot of jollof rice. Yes, you heard me right. This pot of jollof rice can be budget-friendly, but it is extremely delicious and very tasty. Stay tuned guys while I take you through it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so right away so you don't get to miss out other valuable contents like this. To prepare this rice, we are going to rehydrate some dried tomatoes, and this is what dried tomatoes looks like in case you're new to it. We would also be using some dried tatashe, don't forget to deseed them, and some dried chilli as well. To rehydrate all of these peppers, we are going to pour some hot water over it, then we'll cover it tightly and soak for about an hour. After about an hour, you're going to discard the liquid and then you're going to rinse it thoroughly, because these dried peppers can be extremely dusty and very dirty. So now we're going to add some onions and garlic. If you want ginger in your jollof rice, you can also add it. I'll transfer all of them into my blender and then I'm going to cover it up to blend. I'm going to be blending this pepper mix till it is smooth. Now that the pepper mix is ready, I'll proceed to cook the jollof rice. I'll heat up some vegetable oil and then I'll fry some onions. I'll add some salt, curry and thyme, dried rosemary, and then I'm going to stir this all to combine. Afterwards, I'll go in with the tomato paste and then I'll fry this properly to ensure the sour taste is out of it. Then I'll go in with my ready-made pepper mix. I'll fry that. I'll add the chicken stock and my other seasonings. Don't worry, I'm going to put everything in the description box. I poured some water into the stew base. I'll cover it up to come to a boil. I'm cooking 1 pinch rubber of jollof rice, and yes, your jollof rice does not need too much water to cook but more of steam. I'm going to pour the rice now, cover it up and allow it to cook. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to give it a good stir to prevent it from burning, and then I'm going to cover it up. Please make sure you cook your jollof rice on medium to low heat. Then after it's done cooking and then you add your onions, your butter, whatever you want to garnish it with, you can now increase the heat and then you smoke your jollof rice. So after adding the butter and the onions, I gave it a good stir. I'm going to make sure every part of my rice is properly stirred together with the onions and the butter. Afterwards, I'm going to put some oils into the jollof rice. This will ensure the rice to smoke properly and it's going to give it that smoky jollof rice flavor. So I covered it up and now my jollof rice is ready. The amount of dried pepper mix I used for this jollof rice was not more than 3,000 naira. If I was to use fresh pepper, I'll be spending so much, about 10,000 upward, to make my jollof rice look like this. So that's why I tell you it's a budget friendly jollof rice. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.